guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So for today's videos guys, finally nandito na ako sa aming hometown, sa aking hometown.
Oh
Ito
wow!
yung view niya guys. So province life siya guys. So pakita ko sa inyo yung mga magagandang makikita mo dito guys. So tingnan natin guys. So, yan na guys. Ang naadiri na tubod. Yan, tubod tawag diri guys. Yan na guys. Wow! Muna'y kaliguanan. May mga nawala na yung tubig ng tilapia dito. Mangga be! Mangga be! Be, mangga. Aloy. Ihatag ni Why, may mangga pa kami guys. Maganda dito sa province guys kasi maraming ayan, may manok dito kami, minsan dito kami naliligo guys kaya malapit lang. Wait lang. So maganda dito yung tanawin guys, fresh air, overlooking view. So ito yung province namin dito sa Bohol. Masim. Be, kaway-kaway. Hi. Ganda, 'di ba? Fresh air kasi dito kasi sa likod. Kasi nga siya, guys. Mainit kasi sa loob, pero hindi naman ganoon kainit. So mas maganda kasi dito banda sa likod kasi makikita mo yung mga view, ganon. Tapos meron ditong puno ng niyog.
Oh, wow.
Makikita mo yung mga niyog na yung tawag dito, matatayog na niyog. May mga, yan, niyog namin guys, may bunga yan. Tapos meron pa yan. Yan. Tapos, pag dito ka umupo, so, siya, malalanghap mo yung, fresh air. Tapos yun yung view, yun guys. Oh, what a view. Yan siya. Doon guys, parang liti doon banda guys eh. Yun yung may matakikita doon. So ito yung view dito sa aming province. Yan. Bahay. Yung bahay namin. Yan siya guys. So maganda talaga pag province guys, no? So meron kami ditong bougainvillea. Yan. So, ito yung view niya. View. Maganda yung langit. Maganda pag ganitong guys. Anong tawag nito? Ganitong place kasi parang matitingnan mo yung mga parang mawala yung problema mo, parang mga ganun. 'Di ba? Ay, maganda dun, Bio. Meron dong, may isang bahay dun, Bio. Ay, guys, presko na presko. Dito, guys. Malamig. Yan. So, hindi mo makikita dito na, yung, rice, parang rice terraces. Rice field, kung tawagin. Kasi, tapos na mag-ani. Yan. Yan siya, guys. So, maganda talaga. Mainit So yun siya guys. Kita mo dyan. So tanaw-tanaw lang si baby dyan. Be! Yan. Ito yung bahay namin. Yung sa likod ng bahay. Sa province. So it's nice to be here. Yan. Meron pa isang parang dun ba, liguan, kasi malayo eh. Mainit eh. So. Anak ka magigibdo? Nangauna mo? Nikaw na ka do? Ano? Nikaw na ka? Wala na rin mo mama? Wala na rin si Ate Nikki? Si Kuya Jerry, tuwela ano, tequila? So, nice siya diri guys, no? Nice, oh, maglamaw na tabi, yan, oh. Maglamaw ta, oh, yan. Ay! Kumana namin kaon?
Litson? Kinuha pa yung litson, be.
Lamaw tayo ba?
Oo.
Tsaka nabi, may, ano, may... Ayan, guys. So, dun sila nag-i-give, guys. Wala. Pinabarihan ko lang. Ay, manis ko pala, no?
Ay, gusto siya nag-as?
Oo, nag-an ko.
Ay, may viewers?
Hindi, kuan, nag-saldi para sa YouTube na.
Vlog ko kay...
Lagi akong gi-vlog ning kuan.
Karas ko stila.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong.
Nice God, nice
you
binom.
never
Ganito yung
said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and
Ayan,
fake
guys.
a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, 'cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a
Oh, di ba guys? Ang ganda, Abi, oh. Ganda ng hangin, Bi, oh.
But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.
If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.